In this video, you will learn how to check DirectX version on PC or laptop in Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. In the small box that appears, type DXDIAG using all lowercase letters, and then press Enter. You can also click OK. Windows will now open the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. If Windows asks for confirmation, simply follow the on-screen instructions to open it. When the DirectX Diagnostic Tool opens, make sure you are on the System tab. This is usually the tab that opens automatically. Now look for the System Information section. In this section, find DirectX version. Right next to it, you'll see the DirectX version currently installed on your PC. For example, you may see DirectX 12. This is the easiest way to check which DirectX your computer is using. If your goal is to get the latest DirectX version, you usually don't need to download DirectX separately. On Windows 11, DirectX updates are delivered through Windows Update. To check for updates, press Windows and I together to open Settings. Then, on the left side, click Windows Update. On the right side, click Check for Updates. Windows will search for available updates and download and install them when necessary. After Windows finishes installing the available updates, your system will have the latest DirectX version provided for your version of Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.